welcome to our hotel room. We're ordering mini groceries just so we can have some water. Look at our view. This is our view. So a little story time. It's actually kind of cold, which is why I'm basically living in the robes. So let me put this hood on. So what had happened was I was so scared because I brought my makeup bag, like with all my concealers and stuff. I was like tripping the f out. I was like, damn, I'm really stupid. But we got everything. We got the camera, we got the memory card. We are ready to vlog. We got the new milk concealer. Like a why is my mind in the gutter right now? I think I'm just deprived. But I brought my Rare Beauty lipsticks. I don't know which one's the dark one. This one actually. No, it's not. Okay, maybe it's this one. Yes, I brought my dark lipstick. This is the shade Strong. And then I also brought Bold to have like a natural lip color. And then the only blush that I brought was my Joy, because this is probably my favorite one. And I brought my Fenty lip gloss. This is the Hot Chocolate. Ooh, I got this translucent powder from Ulta. Oh no, from Sephora for my birthday, because my birthday just passed. And it's so cute. Look how cute this is. It's so tiny and it's so soft. It's so velvety. I have yet to use it. I've just been touching it with my fingers, which I probably shouldn't do, but so I don't know. Maybe we'll get my makeup done right now. The only thing that we're struggling with right now is that we didn't bring toothpaste. We got here yesterday. We got here around, we got to Portland around like, here around 9. And we drove around. We went to like we went through the Hawthorne Bridge, and then we went over to like the more like residential area. We're in the city area, like we are in downtown, babes. Cute here, you guys. Like it's just convincing me that, you know, we should just move out here. Now, what do I do? I didn't even say why we're out in Portland. We came to support my friend Fabi, and we are gonna go party this Friday. So we're actually gonna go to her, give me a sec, this one. Noche de Efecto. This is what we're going to. I have to check the itinerary. Homegirl is such a queen. She legit sent a whole ass. She did like a whole itinerary, and then apparently today we're gonna hang out with Lexie because Lexie's coming, and then we're gonna hang out, and then we're probably just gonna chill till the rest of the night, and then do some drinks later on at night. So I think I'm gonna start getting ready. Yeah, let's start day. Let's go wash our face at least. Yo. Let's change real quick. Okay, here we go. We're making a little TikTok, so hold on. I'll be back. Let me go change. Let's go add some accessories real quick. I'll be right back again. Where'd you guys have in mind to go eat?
No idea.
You're like, I have no clue. Vamos al Starbucks. Gotta get a drink. I'm so excited.
Hits them up and always post about them. That's kind of fun. That makes me like wonder how this process works. Even like they said, like I don't like the way they.
She's here in spirit.
We are vlogging.
We are vlogging.
To Pike Place Market, where the gum wall is at, and then.
Amazon storefront, check it out. It's at Fabi's. Yes, yes. Get your coin, girl. And then we're all getting ready right now. We're just putting our makeup on. We're gonna head out in a bit. It's worth it. It's worth it. Oh, this is giving cinematic over here. Yeah, we get ready.
Quality.
Okay, quality.
I think every time you start vlogging, I was like, oh yeah. Me.
El recuerdito.
I have to. I'm vlogging too, but you are really good at remembering.
Yeah, you
Like,
are.
I'm trying.
Tell me your skills.
Oh my god.
Is it?
Blend at home.
At night, which is nice because sometimes I can't sleep.
Anyone else's ass sweating? Anyone else's ass sweating right now? Is that just mine?
You know, I call it, do we all call it swamp booty? Oh my god!
On us. Oh, the girly.
I'm gonna get my phone.
Cut the camera. Dead ass.
I just want to stay at the hotel.
Yeah, who the
Me, bro.
would want to do that?
What?
It's like waterfall and a little bit up on the left side. Like typical waterfall.
It smells so good. Oh, they got a corn dog?
Am I gonna start some
That's Jeremy vlogging us right now.
I'm ordering a quinoa salad. Hi.
Vlogging.
Jeremy, do you want a pizza?
I have one.
Huh?
I have one already.
Like from here?
Hmm?
From here?
No, I said I have one.
You don't want one?
You don't like it? ¿Cómo que sabe?
Like nalguita, pero.
They're starving kids. No kidding. What's this one where like stepping on the wheel? Stepping on the wheel. That's Hilda right now. It's gonna be more gorgeous when we go up there. I can't wait.
Oh shit. Are you
It's only 0.2 miles.
This has been like 4 miles. What are you talking about?
She's gonna say sorry, reminded me of my boyfriend.
I have a boyfriend.
Dude, I got that on like camera.
Fabi, I know you're tired. We couldn't take a break. Sorry.
We're already here. Chill.
Okay, next time,
Look at, we were down there.
we won't add a hike to the itinerary.
It's not a hike.
Did my mother-in-law put you up to this? I'm just a person.
I don't think if you talk when you're tired, you're out of breath.
But if I don't talk, I will die.
I'm just trying to enjoy my corn dog. Shout out to Jeremy being the best cameraman.
Right.
You're alright.
Fabi said, I know another hike, and I went.
No, but I
hiking.
I said this.
No, but I told her that the other hike is by my house, and the hike starts from the top of the water.
Esto se llama gorditafobia.
Estamos gordes.
Periodo.
Period.
Look at how pretty this is.
Wind fucking up my face. Like the wind comes and it's like. I might as well take them off.
Hey, Bryson loves you from like your head to your ear to your ankle hair.
I thought she was gonna say
Because he doesn't say it.
We're just enjoying the tea right now, okay? She's emotional.
No, not I. I don't get emotional.
This one's emotional.
Bryson, stop being a
Oh my God, here we go again.
Bryson.
Morning. Can I read? How do you do it? Oh!
Are we throwing gangsta? I ain't hard like that. Oh!
We are not in LA.
Say it again.
Don't say it again. You're married.
Ya está siendo perfecto. Mi mundo está jodido.
I'm so sorry.
Hilda,
Hey, Hilda.
Yes.
We should get you a shirt that says I am drunk.
Bitch, I will. Bitch, I will.
Hey guys.
Esto se siente como nalga pinche cagada.
Directions to the left.
You guys, okay, wait. This says, you know.
But this is the entrance, this is the exit. So like literally, just remember this. So put it down your phone.
No.
I don't know what the.
That's too underhand.
We brought the mayonesa and queso so we can make some esquites.
get the corn right now. Straight? Yes.
How the fuck is this all doing?
Wait. Sorry.
Wait, why would I go in a Cormie's one? Guys,
When I'm built as
everything looks the same to me. What
Hey!
Yes.
Children of the corn! Oh, resistado! Okay.
like a
Oh my goodness, so sorry. We got to go find Machu Picchu.
right now.
Stairs? What kind
Oh!
of Cormie's stairs?
So you can get a view.
See how that shook? No. It is not a safe structure. It is not. That does not look like a safe structure.
Hold my fat ass.
No, look at that. No, there's no way.
I'm going up there. Hold on.
Don't say it.
Okay.
Nos vamos a caer, güey.
It's a scary maze.
Like the shake it.
It's not that bad. It's a spooky. It's spooky. Y'all try not to break my legs. Hold on. Oh god. Brought the mayonesa and queso. Hey.
Hi.
How you feeling?
Good. I feel like dying right now. Honestly, Joe Biden is about to report here live too also. But, yes, so make sure.
That we are here at Halloween Town.
So it gets spooky.
Spooky vibes.
Let's get these spooky vibes.
Watch out.
Get it. Hey. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Oops.
Look at all those cows.
Look at all those cows. So, today's our last day of our trip and I'm so sad. But I'm also so happy because I want to see Apollo. So we decided to come and explore a little bit more. Just because we have more time. And before we leave so we can get as much as we can. And I just realized I didn't record that entrance. Hold on. Welcome to Fort Vancouver. Not gonna lie, it's kind of giving The Village. If you know what movie I'm talking about, it's that one. Look at this garden. Appreciate it.
Perfect timing.
I know, right? Okay, but for real, it's giving The Village.
Yeah.
I'm kind of scared. But look. We can go inside. Let's go. What you gonna do with that, Drew?